Hello audience, welcome back again. I'm talking like Damascus. No, I'm not, but I am imitating him, sort of, because he had a birthday a couple of years ago, days ago. Yes, it is a banana, in push him, jump around the banana. Okay, this is just a little info vlog because it come another YouTuber to me this Monday, I believe. I hope. His name is on YouTube is Dofa99. He have made a couple of videos. So when he comes, I'm gonna make some vlogs. This is just an info vlog, if you wondered. Bless your face, and if you sneeze during this video, bless you. Outrow of redness and then whiteness and darkness. Bye. 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 Your turn. Intro of yellowness.